Hi guys, welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. This video is much requested. You guys have requested a perfect workout which can reduce belly fat and tone your body shape. Today I will show you a best workout routine which will do wonders for your body. To keep healthy and fit, give 15 minutes a day to your body. So without wasting time, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos for beauty, health, and fitness. Let's get to it with the best body weight exercises you can do at home. 1. Tricep dips. These are great to work the tricep muscle at the back of the upper arm and firm up any sagging skin in that area. Start by sitting in the chair. Put your hands on the seat of the chair, supporting your weight. Move your bottom off the chair and use your arms to dip your bottom down and push up. Repeat 10 times. Extended backward leg raises. Extend your leg back with a bent knee and bring your leg over the chair in an inverted U shape, alternating right and left sides. These side plank exercises will work your core and legs. Repeat 10 times. Side plank on the chair. Upper leg on chair seat, lower leg below seat. Bring lower leg up to meet your upper leg. Weight of upper body is on the forearm, perpendicular to the upper body. Other hand is on your hip. Switch sides. Side planks will firm your entire body. 10 reps each leg. Side plank on the chair. Both legs on the chair. Lift upper leg, weight of upper body on forearm, perpendicular to the upper body. Other hand on the hip. 10 times each leg. Crunches with lower legs and feet on the chair. Crunches tone your core, giving your belly a flatter appearance. Lay on the floor on your back and place your hands at the side of your head, not behind it. Pull with lower abs into a crunch. Do 10 reps. Side plank, both feet on the chair. Move hips to ceiling and back to plank. Weight on perpendicular forearm. 10 reps. Switch sides. Repeat. This side plank is good for your core and strengthening your lower back. Backward leg raises with bent knee. Start on your hands and knees with one knee bent. Raise the foot of your bent leg toward the ceiling. Repeat on the other side. 10 reps each side. Get a cutie booty with these backward leg raises. Leg raises and upper body crunches. Laying on your back, raise your legs while bringing your upper body off the floor in a crunch position. Do 10 reps. These work both the upper and lower abs for a sleek-looking profile. Lateral leg scissors. Starting on your back, scissor your legs over and under each other for 10 reps. Upper body is off the ground. Here's another great exercise for the upper and lower abs that will have you looking great in no time. Reverse crunches. Starting on your back, bend your legs and swing your bent legs up, lifting your bottom off the ground. These reverse crunches will get you a flat belly fast. Alternating leg touches. Starting on your back with straight legs, alternate leg touches with the opposite hand. Do 10 reps each side. This exercise helps you strengthen your lower back and have more flexibility. Sit-ups between knees. Start on your back with knees apart. Sit up, bringing arms between knees. Do 10 reps. These sit-ups strengthen your core and lower back. Fire hydrant. Starting on hands and knees, bring knee up to the side and back down. Repeat for 10 on each side. These exercises work the outer thigh, giving you a sleeker leg shape. Point and flex feet from squat position. Start standing with feet apart and get into a squat. Now go up on the balls of your feet and balance, staying in the squat. Return your heels to the ground. This exercise works your calves, increases balance, and works your core all at the same time. Repeat 10 times. Wide stance squat, arms perpendicular. Stand with your feet wide apart. Perform a squat like you're sitting in a chair with your arms perpendicular in front of you. Squat 10 times. Shape your booty and turn some heads with this wide squat. So that's it. These exercises are simple to do at home with just a chair, but they'll quickly firm and reshape your body, and people will notice. With regular exercise, you'll be stronger in no time. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!